Hello.
Hey, hi Pooja.
Hi, hi.
Yeah, we have done with the basic operators, right?
Hello, I cannot hear you. There is.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
You have, let me know.
Hello.
You have any? Yeah, can you hear me?
I cannot hear you properly. I put my volume in maximum, but still I can't hear you.
Are you getting low voice or else you are getting
Now,
break?
yeah, just now I can hear you. It shifted from low voice to clear voice right now.
Just give me a minute.
Okay.
I'll put on my headphones.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah, we have done with the basic operators, right?
Yeah.
Just I'll go through conditions. I think you have an idea on what are conditions. I mean, if, else, if at all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And also, let's try to do a, a program like somewhat related to real time, like a car game like that. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Share my screen. Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So these are binary numbers, right?
Yeah. This is the last class which we have discussed.
Yeah.
Just give me a minute. I'm creating a new directory for conditions. New file. Yeah. As we know, conditions I'll do even or odd program so that you can have an idea on that.
Okay.
And also So let's try to complete nested conditions also. Actually, Pooja, how many months of course you have? How many? What is the duration of your course?
I have 3 months of course. So from now on, I'll be attending regularly. I had some. The last week was everything very sudden, and I couldn't like it. Not being able to attend the class was happening at least 20 minutes before the class was starting. So from next week on, it won't be like that. I'll attend the class every day. Uh,
In morning, are you comfortable with morning classes?
yeah, I'm comfortable with morning classes.
Not, morning
Hello?
or evening? Hello.
Yeah, yeah, please go ahead. Hello?
Just give me a minute.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah.
Which session is more comfortable, morning or evening?
For me, morning only.
Okay. Is it impossible to attend in the evening?
Yeah, because at 5 I have to complete everything because at this time I actually have one work to do. I'll be having that every day. Um, so at this time it won't be possible. That is why I asked Satish to conduct it in the morning itself. Finish everything before 4:35, 4:30 p.m.
Okay. Let's try. Okay. I'll continue with morning sessions only.
Okay, okay.
Uh, I want to take a number, and it should be a user input.
Okay.
Int of input. Here, whatever the display message you want, you can give here. Enter a number.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you try to run this, is nothing but a user input.
Yeah.
We are not giving the input. We are giving it to you.
You're cutting again. I cannot hear you.
Just just give me a minute.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Think there was an issue with my no audio even supporting my system. I don't know why. Okay, I'll try to rejoin the class.
Yeah.
Pooja, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
If you have any troubling from my side, just let me know
Okay, okay, sure.
so that I'll try to make it perfect.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. In this program, I want to give my user input. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, just tell me, how can you say a number is even or odd?
So if it is a multiple, if you divide by 2, you get 0, it's even. If you get 1, it's odd.
Yeah. Can you tell me the code?
Hmm?
Can you tell me the script here? I mean, what have to type here?
Oh, okay, okay. You can just say if
If
num. Sorry, sorry. Can you just go back? Uh, yeah. Uh, if num percentile 2
modulus. Okay, modulus.
modulus 2 is equal to 0, return. You should not put return, right? Print even.
Even.
If else, print odd.
Odd. Yeah. If I give 9, you will get odd.
Yeah.
If I give some 4, you will get even. So I think there is no need to go with some more examples like in this if else conditions. It will be a waste of time.
Yeah.
So I want to get positive, even, negative, odd, like that. Whatever the number I give, if I give -9, I should get my output as uh, negative, odd. If I give 8 or 6 like that, I should get positive, even. Okay,
Oh,
are you
okay.
getting my point?
Yeah.
Yeah, just tell me how we can. Just tell me the approach. How we can do that. Just tell me.
Okay. We do that using end state and the and
No, no.
symbol.
Don't use and. Okay, just I want to do it in nested if else nested conditions. I mean, if one if condition in another if condition, like that. I want to uh, do like that. Just tell. Can
Okay.
you try the script?
Because I'm saying use and because now if we use nested if, we have to use four statements, right? Because one for even and positive, one for even and negative, same for odd and positive, odd and negative, right?
Concept, that's it. One, two, no.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, now I can hear you again.
Just I want to make it clear whether you are getting my point or not. Just for that, I have said to do it in nested conditions.
Okay, okay. So, so we have to say if num modulus 2 is equal
Zero.
to 0,
Yeah.
if num
Now
so, is less than 0,
less than zero.
print
Print
uh, even even negative.
negative is
Okay, negative even,
okay.
negative even,
Mm.
and then if num is greater than else.
We use
No,
else.
no,
Okay.
here we have to use if only. Oh yeah, yeah, else we can use, else we can use.
Yeah. Else
Else print negative, sorry, positive even.
zero even. Yeah.
If num is equal to another if will be there. If num is equal to 0,
Directly you can use else here, right?
yeah.
Else. So it will become odd. Okay. Now you can use if num
No,
is
no, no.
less.
We forgot to write the case for 0. 0 is not even or odd, right? So 0 is even, but it's not negative or positive, right?
Elif.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. 0 is even, but it's not negative or positive, right?
So you can use elif, right?
Yeah.
Then I can print uh,
A negative, odd.
negative, negative or else print
Positive,
positive or
odd. So after negative even, we have to use elif.
after.
Negative even, we have to use elif.
Okay, here itself.
After, yeah, we have to come outside of that. Yeah, here elif. Because 0 is even, right?
How we can say zero is even?
So 0 is, we can't say 0 is no, positive or negative, but I thought we can say 0 is even. Because 0 divided by 2 we'll get how much? 0 itself.
Yeah. Yeah. So that is what that we have to develop later.
Okay, okay.
First of all, you should try your own approach, and you have to try your input in different ways
Okay.
until you get required output.
Okay.
Okay, that is you have to do programming.
Okay.
Okay, percentile to sorry, not equal to zero. I'll go for this. Else print you uh, given 0. Will you get the right output here? I mean, you will get the correct output. What are you thinking here? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm just checking once.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking it'll be the right output only.
I'll give some 6. I got positive in. Okay. If I give -5, I got negative odd. Okay. If I give some 9, okay, positive odd. If I give -4, negative even. Okay. If I give 0, I'm getting positive even. This is what you have said, right?
Yeah, because I'm saying that it 0 divided by 2, you get the remainder 0
Zero.
only.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
You will
it
get
is
0.
a positive, it is a even number. So I'm saying that, but it is not negative or positive, right? So in percentile only, Elif will write after negative even, so that whenever we get 0, it'll just show that it is giving 0.
So you are telling that here I have to put elif, right?
Yeah,
Elif,
yeah,
my num is equal to 0. I have to print some 0. Okay.
yeah,
So that I have to put this in
else.
else. Okay. Now I'll give 0. I got 0.
Yeah,
Yeah. You can do however you want. You can do that. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah. You can use L if elif else block outside, or else you can use in nested if like this. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. And also you will have another approach like uh, if num is equal to sorry, num is greater than 0, and like this also you can use, right?
Yes, yes.
And num percentile to some equal to 0, you should get positive, and like this also you can use if like that. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. But you will not get nested conditions in this approach. Okay. Okay.
okay,
We have completed nested conditions. Okay.
okay.
I think you have more knowledge in these conditions. Now, what I'll do is I'll go with a game. Okay. I want to play a car game. Okay. I'll tell you the requirements. Let's try to, okay, try on your own how we can do that. Okay. Okay. My requirement, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. My requirements are if I uh, give 1 as my input, the
Hmm.
car should get started.
Okay,
If I give 2 as my input, the car should get stopped.
okay,
If I give 3 as my input, I should come out of the game.
okay.
Okay? And also, first, if I give 1 as my input, the car will get started, right?
Yeah,
Again, if I give my input as 1, it should say that car is already started.
okay,
Okay. It should not tell that okay, car is started, like that. It should not, I should not get that output. I should get car is already started. If I give the same number again and again, I should get car is already started. Only for the first time I should get car is started or car is stopped. If I give the repeated the same number, then I
yeah,
should get uh, already started or already stopped. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Just try to uh, do this.
Okay. So,
Mm.
first we have to give take user input.
Yeah. Okay. I am giving some user input, some int of input. Mm, yeah. What I have to give?
Uh, Please enter a number from 1 to 3. 1 for start, 2 for stop, 3 for exit.
Or else, I can three print statements here.
Okay.
Print
Start,
start
stop, exit.
to stop and print three exit. Uh,
Okay.
I'm getting something like this. Okay.
O-
Please enter a number. So I don't want to give please enter a number. Choose one option or like that.
Okay.
Choose one option. Okay. Next. Yeah.
Yeah, if ch is equal to
CH is equal to
1,
1.
um, so if they say 1 again, if they're if so we have to add return, we have to make it a function and keep on calling it again, right? Because
No, no.
it should be repetitive, right? If after one start, if we are giving 1 again.
There is no need of any functions here. Just depend on conditions only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
If ch is equal to 1, um, print car has started.
Uh, Started. Okay.
If ch is equal to 2,
Or else
elif
LS equal to
ch is equal to 2,
print
print car has stopped.
star
um, elif
is
ch is equal to elif ch is equal to 3.
3.
uh, Print car, you have exited the game.
You have reached. Yeah. Okay. I'll try to execute.
Else
Okay.
choose one of the above options.
Okay. I'll try to execute this code for now.
Okay.
I got I got an some user input and I'm selecting one. Okay, car is started. It is working, but it came out of the program. But it should
Yeah.
not come out of the program, right? So
Yeah.
what I'll do is I'll keep this whole program in an infinite loop. Do you
Okay.
know what is infinite loop?
Yeah. For loop. No, no, no.
While true. Okay.
Well, okay. Yeah.
While true is an infinite loop. Okay. Let's see what the while true plays its role here. If I select one, car is stopped. Again, it is asking for an option. Okay.
Yeah.
Again, if I give two, it is telling that car has stopped, and again three options. If I give one, start like that, it will ask again and again. Okay.
Yeah.
If I give three, if you are exiting the game, but you are in the game. You
Yeah.
you you are in the game only. You have not come out of the program. So what I have to do is I have to give break here.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what is break? Break is nothing but
Stops
will
the loop.
stops the iteration or stops the loop, and it will come out of the loop. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, you can't use break without this loop. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now again I'll try to execute one. Okay, car has started. The car has stopped exiting the game, and I came out of the game. If I give any other than these three options, if I give 6, it should say choose one of the above options. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Up to here, my code is running perfectly. But
Yeah.
my requirement is when I give one, car has stopped. Again, if I give one, it should say car is already started. Car has already started. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You try, or shall I proceed with the program?
Sorry.
Will you try, or shall I proceed with the program?
Oh, okay. Okay. Please proceed with the program.
So I'll make my start as false. Okay. I'll let you know. I'll make my start as false first.
Okay.
Initially, my car will be in the stop condition, right?
Yeah.
So start is false, or else you can put stop is equal to true, like that. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. If is nothing but here, it resembles car is in stop condition.
Okay.
Okay. When car will get started means when the car is in stop condition, then only the car will get started, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I'll do here is if ch is equal to 1, again I'll put a condition like if my start is equal to false. We know start equal to false means car is in stop condition. Here I am assigning false to start. Here I am comparing whether car is in start or stop. Okay.
Okay.
Here there is a lot of difference between these two conditions here.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now, if it is in stop condition only, then my car will get started. Okay. Then what my start will become, true or false?
Your car start will become true.
Yeah. So here I have to assign, or else I have to compare.
You have to assign.
Assign. So I'm just using single equal to, and I've put my start to true. Else I have to print car is already started. Car is already started. Okay.
Okay.
Are you getting my point? If you have any confusion, please let me know.
Yeah. Got
Yeah.
it.
Okay. Okay. When my car will get stopped?
If it's two, when
Start is true.
yeah.
Then only my car will get stopped. Then what my start will become?
If start is false, start equal to false, one equal to false.
Else print is already stopped. Okay.
Okay.
Let's try to execute this program now. Yeah. I'll give 1. Car has started. 2. Okay. Car is started. So you can stop the started car. So it is also executing correct. And again I am starting car. So I'll try to start it again.
Yeah.
I got car is already started. Okay, you can stop the started car. If I try to stop the car again, even it is in stop condition, then I will get car is already stopped. Okay.
Yeah.
If I give any other value, it will say choose one of the above options, or else we can give below options. It will be nice, I think. Okay. If I give 3, it will come out of the game.
Okay.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, I think you almost done with this code. I mean, you have done on your own. Just you are confused. I mean, you don't know this one only, right? You don't have
Yeah.
idea on this one only, but no problem. No problem. You almost done with the code on your own. Okay. Yeah. Will you take a screenshot or will you see the recording?
I'll, I'll take a screenshot.
Okay. Okay. Have you done with the screenshot?
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, I think uh, we can stop if else conditions up to here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and then nothing will be in if else conditions. All I think you have much more knowledge in conditions. Let's go with the loops. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. We should not waste our time. Let's try to finish our course as soon as possible, and let's try to do some different kind of programs.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm, okay. We know loop is nothing but repeating itself. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Loop is nothing but rotating like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
and we have different kinds of loops. As we seen before, while true is an infinite loop, and we have another two loops called while and for. Based on requirement, we have to choose the best one for the program. So let's try to uh, do with the while loop first, and we will go for the for loop afterwards. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, I'll take. I want to. Do you have any idea on this while loop?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to get values from 1 to 10.
Okay.
How I can do that? Just tell me on your own. Okay.
While loop, right?
Yeah.
We first we have to just take some variable.
Okay. What is that variable? Some I. Okay. I
And
equal to 0.
yeah. I is it, so uh while I, hello,
Yeah. Yeah. While
uh,
I
is less than or equal to
then or
10,
equal to.
is equal to 9, sorry, is equal to 9.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, can you change the I to 1,
Okay.
and 9 to 10,
Okay.
uh, print I,
Print I.
and then we have to write the in the increment statement.
Yeah.
I
Increment is
is
nothing but I
equal
equal to I plus
to,
1 or else plus equal to 1. You can use
yeah,
any of the method, but I'll use I equal to I plus 1 only. It will be more easy to explain you.
yeah,
Yeah. Let's see the output now. Are you expecting are you expecting you will get the right output?
Yeah.
Yeah. What happened in this program?
First initially we gave a variable one value, and we said that as long as it is less than if as long as that variable is less than 10, it has to keep repeating, and every time it repeats it has to print the value in the variable, and then it has to upgrade the value of variable by number 1. Again it will check if, like, first it is 1, 1 is greater than 10, it will print 1, and then it will get updated to 2. 2 is greater than 10, it will print 2. Again, like, by upgrading, it will check for 9. 9 is greater than less than 10, so it will print, and it will check for 10. 10 is equal to 10, so it will print, and it will print 10. So it'll, when it checks for 11, 11 is not less than or equal to 10, so it comes out of the loop.
Yeah. Okay. While loop will execute until the condition becomes false.
Yeah.
So I want to print the values from 10 to 1. What you will do now?
Okay. We first we'll give the I value as 10.
Okay.
um, we will put greater than or equal to 1.
Greater than or equal to 1.
Yeah, we'll put I minus 1.
Yeah. I minus 1. So you got 10 to 1 also. Nice.
Yeah.
Now I need a format like star, star, star. I need this format get printed. What I have to do?
Okay, just a second.
Are you thinking on your own or are you searching somewhere?
No, I'm thinking on my own. Um, in we have to first step we have to do is, instead of print I, we have to print, say, print star.
Star.
Um,
Okay. I have to put in some. Yeah.
just one second. I know this. I forgot actually.
I have said the answer is in that only. Tell
Yeah.
me. Instead of printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I want to print stars. That's it. Just tell me how to print 1 to 5 first. Afterwards, we can think about stars. Okay.
Okay. I is equal to 1,
1,
and then is less than or equal to 5.
1 to 5. And I have to do some
Plus.
increment plus 1. So if I try to execute, I'll get single stars
Yeah.
of up to 5. So here what I have to do is I have to multiply with my I. Okay.
Yeah.
If I multiply an integer and a string, then we will get repetition. Okay. We will get repetition of that string. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Uh, and another important point, int plus int. What you will get?
Integer only.
Integer. Okay. Int plus string. What you will get?
Like, how will they get added? Like, what is the process?
Want to add 5 plus puja. What will be my output? I know 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 is
Yeah.
an integer. Okay. What about 5 plus puja?
Is it a string?
Yeah, it is string. Puja is string.
No, 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 no. Will the output be a string or will it be
Yes, that
invalid?
is what I'm asking. What the output I'll get here?
Okay, string. I think it's invalid.
Yeah, it
It's
is invalid. Okay, we'll get nothing over there.
mm,
What about str plus str? String plus string.
string.
Okay. What about int str?
String. String.
Okay. What about str multiply with str?
Um, Invalid output.
This is called addition, right?
Yeah.
Adding two integers is called addition.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about adding two strings?
Concatenation.
Very important. If frequently asked questions in interviews. Okay. What is concatenation? They will ask about that one. So you have to simply you can say that like this. Okay. Adding two strings is called concatenation.
Okay.
What is this is called int into string
I don't know.
called repetition. That's it.
Okay. Repetition.
If you want, you can prepare notes about this concatenation, addition, and repetition. Okay,
Okay.
just a small statement. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can we end?
Hello?
Hear me, Pooja?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Can we end up today's session?
Yeah, sure. Okay, tomorrow, from tomorrow we will do in the morning only. 90% I won't be canceling any classes also from now on.
But maybe it will 10 or 15 minutes late. Okay. I'll
Okay.
try to attend by 7. I'll come out from the workout, so I'll I'll try. I have to adjust my timings. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why I've said if is it any possible in the evening session. So no problem. I can try. I will try to attend morning only. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Okay then. Then that's all about today's class. Have a nice day. Bye.